In today's video, we are going to look at the second chapter of our supplementary book, and that is Bringing Up Curry. And this chapter is written by Dhyan Gopal Mukherjee. It's going to be very interesting chapter for all of you because it's all about a pet. And you know who is going to be a pet here? A baby elephant. Yes, a baby elephant is a pet here in this story, and its name is Curry. Its name is Curry. So basically, Curry was 5 months old when it was given to the narrator or the author. The author narrates the story of the chapter here, okay, and the author will bring up the Curry here. So Curry was 5 months old only, and the author was 9 year old. But the means Curry was taller than author. Okay, as we know that creatures or animals grow faster than human beings. So, but author can reach at the top of Curry. He could reach easily at the top of Curry, and Curry used to live in a pavilion. So the pavilion was covered by a thatched roof. So here thatched roof means roof that is made of straws. गांव में जिसे हम छप्पर टाइप का कहते हैं, it was made of straws. And it was rested on 4 poles, and these poles were made of thick tree stumps. And do you know, being very naughty, the elephant thumped or bumped against the poles. Okay, क्योंकि वो बच्चा था, उसे नहीं पता था कि उसे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना था, तो शरारत करने के लिए वो जाता था और जो पोल्स लगे थे उन पोल्स के जाके उनकी टक्कर मारता था. बट डोंट वरी, दे वुड नॉट फॉल because they were made of thick tree stumps. The thing which the elephant liked most is taking bath in the river in the morning. Yes, the author used to take him to the river for his bath. The elephant used to go in the river, then he came back and he would lie down on the bank of the river. At that time, the author would rub sand on his body. Yeah, जो author था वो उसकी body पे sand को rub करता था, and it took an hour for author. For 1 hour, for complete 1 hour, author used to rub sand on his body, and that time the elephant, the baby elephant, would enjoy the moment a lot. And again he went back in the river. When he would return from the river, his body would be shining, very shining. And the author had to collect food for Curry, and he used to eat 40 pounds of food per day. Every day he used to eat 40 pounds of food. So the author used to leave him in the river only, and he had to go in the jungle to collect food for him. It took long time for author as well, because for half an hour he had to sharpen the axe. After this, he had to climb up the banyan tree, and after climbing, he select the most tender and delicate twigs. Twigs छोटी छोटी टहनियां होती हैं, and he had to cut them for the elephant. The elephant was very clever. He used to eat only the fresh twigs, and the author enjoyed a lot for, in collecting the food for Curry. One day, while the author was collecting food for Curry, he all of a sudden he heard the squealing sound, a loud squealing sound of Curry. He thought that Curry is in danger, कि Curry खतरे में है या Curry को कुछ ऐसा नुकसान होने वाला है. इस तरह से Curry जोर से चिल्लाया. So he left everything there only and he rushed towards the river. जोर से वो river की तरफ दौड़कर जाता है. As soon as he reached at the bank of the river, Curry pushed him in the water. जैसे ही author river के पास पहुंचता है तो Curry उसे पानी में धकेल देता है. The current of water was very fast. The current of water was as fast as he dragged the author at the bottom of the river. जैसे ही वो bottom river में पहुंचता है, he saw a boy lying down there at the bottom of the river. सो यहाँ पे बेसिकली क्या होता है कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा होता है जो पानी में डूब जाता है, जो कि करी ने देखा था, और इसी वजह से वो ऑथर को पानी में धकेल went to there, but the author pulled the boy on the surface of the water. जो author होता है वो बच्चे को surface तक तो ले आता है, पानी का जो surface होता है ऊपर तक तो ले आता है, but he was not a good swimmer. He even did not know swimming. उसको swimming आती ही नहीं थी. So he started drowning. तो वो बहना शुरू हो जाता है. The current of water drag him down in the water. जो water का current था वो इतना तेज था कि उसे वापस से वो नीचे पानी में धकेल रहा था. All of a sudden he felt something around his neck. उसे अचानक से कुछ अपनी neck के चारों तरफ कुछ feel होता है. And that was nothing. It was a trunk of the elephant. It was trunk of Curry. Curry का trunk था वो. And Curry dragged both of them to ashore. दोनों जो लड़के थे उन लड़कों को जो करी होता है वो कहाँ तक ले आता है, ashore तक, उस किनारे तक ले आता है. As like this Curry saved a boy's life. इस तरह से जो करी, जो हाथी का बच्चा होता है, वो एक लड़के की जान बचाता है. They were very good friends. Curry and Otho both were good friends. And one time Curry became fond of bananas. Curry को bananas बहुत पसंद आने लगे. Okay, so one time what happened? A plate full of fruits was kept on the table in the dining room, and all of a sudden the plate was stolen, and the author was blamed for them. इसका blame किस पे डाला गया? Author पे डाला गया. The author kept telling the members that he hadn't stolen anything. कि उसने कुछ भी चोरी नहीं किया है. He hadn't taken any fruit. उसने कोई fruit नहीं लिया है. But the members were not ready to listen to him. So one day, while he was sitting in the dining room, he saw something coming through the window like a snake. उसने देखा कि snake का जैसा window से कुछ निकल कर आ रहा है. Okay, and it was the trunk of the elephant, the baby elephant or Curry. वो किसका trunk था? Elephant का trunk था. And it started stealing the fruits. वो जो trunk था ना वो मतलब fruits को चोरी करना start कर दिया उसने. And he had taken the fruits to the pavilion. The author reached there and he saw there eating the bananas and the fruits there, okay, silently without any disturbance. So for that Curry was given the punishment. इसकी Curry को punishment भी दी जाती है. The author was very furious looking at this. He was stealing the fruits. That's why Curry was given the punishment. When he got the punishment, he understood this is not good. Curry को ये समझ में आ गया था कि जो काम उसने किया है वो शायद सही नहीं था, इसीलिए उसको punishment दी गई है. So he stopped stealing fruits from that day only. उस दिन से उसने कोई भी fruits चोरी नहीं किए. Okay. So here author is a good teacher as well. author बहुत अच्छा teacher भी होता है यहाँ पे. Okay. He made some commands to, sorry, he made learn elephant some commands. कुछ commands उसने elephant को सिखाई, and that one was dhat. Dhat means to sit down. If you ask an elephant to dhat, it will understand that he had to sit. Okay, and the another call was Mali. The another call was Mali. Mali means to walk. Start to walk. If the elephant is still and standing, and if you ask in its ear Mali, so it will start walking. So these were two commands which were learned by Curry easily. He learned these two commands within 3 weeks only. But there is one more command, and that is master call. Okay, that is very tough to teach an elephant. Generally, an elephant takes 5 years to learn this command. Okay, and what is this master call? I'll make you understand. Master call means it's a kind of hissing sound. Okay, howling sound or hissing sound. The master has to make in the ear of the elephant. Okay, and it is regarding the saving the life of the master. Sometimes these masters are lost in the jungle. They don't have any way to go out of the jungle. Okay, so that time they have to give the master call in the elephant's ear, and that time the elephant will understand that the master's life is in danger, so he will start pulling down the trees. Okay, वो क्या करेगा, जैसे ही उसको हिसिंग साउंड मिलता है या जो मास्टर बॉल मिलती है, तो जो एलिफेंट होता है वो क्या करता है, अपने मास्टर की लाइफ को सेव करने के लिए वो ट्रीज को उखाड़ना शुरू कर देता है, वन आफ्टर अनदर, एक के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा, इस तरह से वो पेड़ों को उखाड़ना शुरू कर देता है. Seeing this, the animal, the birds, the creature of the jungle, okay, get frightened. ये देखकर सारे जो एनिमल्स क्रिएचर जो भी जंगल में रहते हैं सब डर जाते हैं. इवन द लायन और द टाइगर, okay, they also get afraid of this master ball. So he will start pulling down these trees one after another, and he will make the way for his master. So the author made the author made Curry learn this master ball as well. It was a bit difficult for the author, but he was successful to make him learn this ball as well. So this was the chapter. Okay, so hopefully you have understood this.